I love slime.
You love slime?
Yeah, I love slime.
I love them too.
Me too.
Me
my slime is going crazy, Kira. Look at my slime.
No.
Kamdenboy, Kyraboo, toy review. Hey girls.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
What are you making today?
Slime.
What kind of slime?
Glitter slime.
Yeah.
Glitter slime. Okay.
And your bubble?
We have some glitter slime.
Yeah.
We've got our baking soda
Yeah.
and contact solution. So we're trying our 3-ingredient slime again today.
Oh, yeah.
We actually have 4 ingredients. Water is optional. We don't know if we're gonna add that or not. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we haven't really done a good job at slime, so we have to do a good job this time, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Ba, 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 ba.
Wow, 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 wow.
Okay,
Ba, ba, ba.
Kira, purple lime,
Yeah.
purple glue, lime. All right,
Oh.
open your bottles.
Okay. Let's go.
Wait.
Okay, Kira, pour your whole bottle of glue in your bowl, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, Kennedy.
That could be nice and pretty pink.
Put your top on, Kennedy. You're done.
Go get your out.
You're done. You're done, Kennedy.
Kira, you goofy.
You're done, Kennedy. You're done, Kennedy. You're done, Kennedy.
You're done, Kira. Oh, Kira, look.
Okay, everybody needs a half a tablespoon.
Okay. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I don't know my foot.
Half a tablespoon for you. I'm sorry.
If I did not, Kennedy, take the bowl. Now, you're my missing thing.
Okay, now everybody needs a tablespoon of water.
Can I do it?
Yep. You got it?
Yeah.
Pour it in. Okay. 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Mix and stick for. Okay. Stir it up.
wait.
Mix it in really well. Hold your bowl, Kira.
Okay.
It's starting to look pretty.
Who do you play?
Kira, look at the galaxy.
Ooh, you done? Ooh. Look, Kennedy. Under my mic, Kennedy.
I see.
Oh my colors. Oh my rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
I like red, green, and blue.
Can I help you a little bit, Kira, please?
No, I got
Okay, just keep stirring it.
it. Wow. It's purple and pink.
Alright. So next we're gonna add about a tablespoon of our contact solution.
Bush color.
Okay. Can I do it?
Yes. There you go.
Admit it. Okay. Can I do it? Uh-oh. On table.
You may need some more, but we'll add it in slowly. So mix that in first.
Okay. Mix this. Mix.
There you go, Kira. Hold your bowl.
It's turning into slime.
Oh.
Kira, we did it this time, I think.
Did the time?
Yeah, we did it this time.
Keep mixing it, Kira.
Oh.
Mom mixing itself.
Oh, hold it on. Oh, good job. Here, hold it.
See a sticker.
Look, it's turning into slime.
What?
We're doing the ready. Wow.
It's like jump rope.
Come on. Let's play with it. Let's play with it, Kennedy. Okay, quick.
We're playing with it right now, Kara.
Quick, quack, quick, quack.
Kara, I love slime.
You love time?
Yeah, I love slime.
I love them too.
Me too.
Me
My slime is
too.
going crazy, Kara. Look at my slime.
No.
My slime is growing.
We finally did it this time. Yay! Show me see your slime. Let me see your slime.
Okay. Swirl. Swirl.
Let me see your swirl. Good job, Kira. You did it this time. Yay! Okay, next time we're going to try to make fluffy slime. So hopefully we don't go back to a fail. Okay? All right, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. And boy, Kyraboo, play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.